everyone, Hannah with Studio Designer here, and today we're talking about how to turn proposal approvals into instant payments with StudioPay. So if you're gearing up for an install, this is the perfect time to streamline your payment process and keep projects moving without delays to protect your cash flow. StudioPay makes it easy to turn proposal approvals into instant payments, giving your clients a secure way to pay right inside of Studio Designer. Before using StudioPay and proposals, make sure your account is fully set up and that ACH and credit card payments are enabled in Studio Designer once your application is approved. And if you've already gone through your onboarding session or you've migrated from Legacy StudioPay, these settings are already in place, so you're good to go. Otherwise, to enable these settings, you'll head to Settings, My Company, Payment Defaults. And down here below, you'll see all of the different payment options that you can enable for your clients. These options give you the ability to mass enable the settings. Otherwise, if you'd like to have custom settings for each client, you can enable them down below. When you're ready to send your proposal for approval and payment, we're going to go ahead and head to Projects Proposal, find the proposal that you'd like to send to your client, and click the Send to Client button in Interactive Document. Today I'm going to show you the one-click payment mode, which is a very fast and convenient way for your clients to make payments. I'm going to go ahead and enter my email address and click Send. One-click payments will allow your clients to do is save a payment method and continue to use it on future proposals or invoices, and so they don't have to enter in their payment method over and over. I got the proposal sent. I'm going to go ahead and click Pay Proposal. And this is exactly what your client sees. So once they click Pay Proposal, they'll have details of the invoice itself, including all of the items, depending on your settings. And what they'll do is they'll actually go ahead and click Approve or Reject. In this instance, we're going to go ahead and approve it. And once your client has approved it, they can click Make Payment. From here, since I've already saved payment methods previously, I can use the drop-down to access those saved payment methods, click my desired payment method, click Pay Now, authorize that this is an ACH transaction, and then confirm. And that's it! Approval and payment in just a few clicks. Sending proposals with StudioPay isn't just convenient, it's essential. It allows approvals and payments to happen in one seamless step. It accelerates the procurement process and creates a smoother client experience. And the best part? No more waiting for mailed checks or coordinating meetups to collect payment. With StudioPay, you and your clients save time, minimize delays, and keep projects on track. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.